YouTube, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm talking a little lower because it is 6 o'clock in the morning, the day of Comic-Con. It's gonna be day 2 for me, so it's Saturday. For these other videos, I did the get ready with me's days ago before Comic-Con because I didn't want to be in a rush. But I filmed this video, but it didn't come out the way I wanted to, so that's why we're doing it now. So let's go. So this is my moisturizer. It's the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. It's very good. You know, I like to moisturize and then I prime. Okay, so today we're going for our last video. Gonna be Black Widow, Natasha Romanoff. So let's see how that goes. Okay, now we're gonna prime. In my head, because this is the last video, I'm done with Comic-Con after today. But I'm not. I have one more day. Honestly, yesterday wasn't that bad. First day, we got there really early, so we just picked up our badges and then we went to go eat. My lace is kind of eating right now. Like for me doing this at 6 o'clock in the morning, the lace is eating, but that's all I'm doing now. I'm gonna multitask. I'm gonna do my brows and my concealer as per usual. So using the same exact concealer as always, the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer from e.l.f. Just gonna put a little bit underneath my eyes because I am tired, honey. Do that, let that dry, and then we're gonna do my brows. Okay, now we're gonna do my brows. So I'm gonna be using the same brand that I used for wait, did I use for anything else? No, I'm tripping. But I did my friend's makeup yesterday, so it's gonna be the same brand. It's the Makeup a Murder Toxic Waste Liquid Eyeliner. It works really good, so that's what we're gonna be using. I don't know if you can really tell on the camera right now, but it looks good in person. Other brow. Okay, let's blend out this concealer, and then I'm gonna carve my under eyebrows. Same foundation as the other videos because we're not really switching it up. The base is always gonna be the same. The only thing that's gonna be is different is gonna be my lipstick, or I don't know if I'm gonna bronze or not. Cause I think for this look, I don't remember if in the photos that I took that if I put blush on. I don't really think I did, so I think I'm just gonna be bronze. Using my favorite Juvias setting powder again. I actually feel like I have to buy some more now because I've been using it so much lately. Kind of sad, but who cares? Okay, I'm gonna go in very lightly with the same thing that I used to contour my nose and contour my face. Just a tad bit so I can be snatched. So we're gonna go back in with our... So this is what I'm gonna use for my highlight yet again. Sorry, I don't have anything else to use, guys. With the same brush that I hate. I'm gonna do my lips and then I think I'm done, right? Let's hope. So I think that I'm going to outline my lips in black, brown, and then get lighter in the middle. Similar to the one that I did for my A-Train cosplay, but not quite. Then I'm gonna go in with the NYX lip pencil in shade espresso. And then I'm gonna go in with my Drip Lash Drenched. I don't even know what color this is because it like doesn't tell you on here. Oh yeah, it does. This is Drip Coffee. See, it's very subtle. So she's just like Natasha Romanoff. You feel me? So now I'm just gonna set it and then I'm gonna put my cosplay on. Alright, this is the final outcome. Hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more like these and watch the other videos because it's part 3 of 3. So watch them. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos and more of me. Okay? Bye!